Hey everybody, thanks for checking out the video. This is how I make my bacon burnt ends. I start out with the coarse ground Dijon mustard. Rub that on thoroughly. I start with the whole pork belly. Either you can cut it up frozen, it's a lot easier to cut up that way, or you can smoke it for 3 hours and then it cuts up more easily than having it room temperature like it is now. Trying to cut it up just going to be a big mess, harder to do. You're better off just cutting it after it cooks a little or when it's kind of half frozen. So I'm putting on the spices, basically salt, sugar, cayenne, paprika, chili powder, cumin. I believe that's all I have in there. Don't go overboard on it. You want the smoke to be able to penetrate the meat. I got a skin on pork belly, so I already trimmed away all the skin. Flip it around, get that side some Dijon. And then I'm gonna put some more spices on there. So I have a Masterbuilt 1050 digital smoker. It's a gravity fed charcoal smoker. So I'm gonna set that at 225 and I'm gonna let that roll for about 3 hours. I'm going to flip it halfway just to be able to check on it. This did end up a little salty for my taste. The only thing I'm going to end up doing differently next time is less salt, or when I add butter at the end, I'm going to use an unsalted butter. I mean, it's still delicious, but a touch too salty. So I'll take ownership on that. Don't add too much salt. Don't be like me. So here it is going into the smoker. Whole slab on. And again, I'm going to wait till the 3 hour mark to take it off, cut it up into chunks, put it in a tray, and then put it back in for another few hours. So here's checking on it, giving it the flip. Beautiful. Smells good, looks good. This is actually the end. So I'm going to transfer that to the cutting board. I'm going to cut it up into squares, chunks, however big you want your finishing pieces to be. Camera magic. Transfer to a pan. Add some more seasoning, brown sugar, and some butter. Again, next time I'm going to use unsalted butter. It ended up a little salty. Cover it with foil. Put it back in the oven or back on the smoker. Since it's already hot, I did it for 2 more hours. So this is what it looks like after it cooks. Now I'm going to put barbecue sauce on it, a little bit of brown sugar, mix it up, and broil it for 10-15 minutes. Just give it a little bit of a bark. And as for the color and the taste and the texture, everything was spot on. I would do it exactly the same next time, except again, kind of dialing back on the salt a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the videos. If you like this, check out my other videos. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. Don't miss any new content. Talk to you guys later. Thanks.